Book of Heaven, Volume 11, June 12, 1913. The effects of fusing oneself in Jesus, the Most Holy Trinity, is formed in the soul. While praying, I was uniting my mind to the mind of Jesus, my eyes to those of Jesus, and so with all the rest, with the intention of doing what Jesus did with his mind, with his eyes, with his mouth, with his heart, and so forth. And as it seemed that the mind of Jesus, his eyes, etc., diffused for the good of all, it seemed that I too would diffuse for the good of all, uniting and identifying myself with Jesus. Now I thought to myself, what kind of a meditation is this? What prayer? I am no longer good at anything. I'm not even capable of reflecting on something. While I was thinking of this, my always lovable Jesus told me,
"My daughter, what? You are afflicting yourself with this? Instead of afflicting yourself, you should rejoice, because when you used to meditate, and many beautiful reflections used to arise within your mind, you would do nothing but take from me part of my qualities and of my virtues. Now, since the only thing left to you is being able to unite and identify yourself with me, you take the whole of me. Good at nothing as you are, with me you are good at everything. Because with me you want the good of all, and the mere desiring and wanting good produces a strength in the soul which makes her grow and settles her in the divine life. Then, by uniting with me and identifying with me, she unites with my mind, producing many lives of holy thoughts in the minds of creatures. As she unites with my eyes, she produces many lives of holy gazes in creatures. In the same way, if she unites with my mouth, she will give life to the words. If she unites to my heart, to my desires, to my hands, to my steps, at every heartbeat she will give a life to desires, to actions, to steps, but holy lives, because I contain the creative power within me, and therefore, together with me, the soul creates and does whatever I do. Now this union with me, part to part, mind to mind, heart to heart, etc., produces in you, in the highest degree, the life of my will and of my love. In this will the Father is formed, and in this love the Holy Spirit. And through the operating, the words, the works, the thoughts, and everything else that can come from this will and from this love, the Son is formed, and here is the Trinity in souls. So if we need to operate, it is indifferent whether we operate in the Trinity in heaven or in the Trinity within souls on earth. This is why I keep taking everything else away from you, be they even good and holy things, to be able to give you the best and the holiest, which is I, and to be able to make of you another myself as much as it is possible for a creature. I believe you won't lament any more, will you?
And Jesus, I feel rather that I have become awful bad, and the worst is that I am unable to find this badness of mine, for at least I would do anything I can to cast it away. And Jesus?
Enough. You want to go too far into the thought of yourself. Think of me, and I will take care of your badness too. Have you understood?